Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat and engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle